Flutter is changing the game for mobile app developers, so if you're still building two separate apps for Android and iOS, you might want to stick around. Let's talk evolution. Just a few years back, cross-platform development meant making tough trade-offs, clunky UIs, sluggish performance, endless headaches. But then Google dropped Flutter, an open-source toolkit that delivers buttery smooth apps from a single codebase, and suddenly, building for both platforms started to make sense. So what actually makes Flutter a favorite among developers? First off, it's fast. I'm talking near-native performance because Flutter skips the whole bridge thing and draws the UI directly on the screen. The hot reload feature? Life-changing. You tweak your code, hit save, and instantly see the results in your emulator. Iteration becomes almost addictive. And don't get me started on the widget library. With Flutter, building beautiful, customizable interfaces feels less like a chore and more like playing with Lego. Whether you want material design, Cupertino, or something uniquely yours, Flutter's got you covered. But let's get real for a second. Is this just hype, or does Flutter actually deliver in the wild? Well, let me show you a few real-world projects that prove the point. First, there's this fruit shelf life prediction app out of India. Using Flutter for the UI, it takes photos from both a normal smartphone camera and a thermal cam, runs an embedded TensorFlow Lite model, and predicts exactly how long your fruit will stay fresh totally offline on both Android and iOS. The code? All Dart and Flutter, with the ML model trained in Python and bundled right in. Pretty amazing, right? Next, check out FoodSnap. Snap a picture of your lunch and the app instantly tells you the price, all powered by Flutter and TensorFlow. The feedback? Students loved it, especially anyone trying to stick to a budget. Flutter isn't just for consumer apps either. I've seen it used in aerospace testing, real-time industrial signal processing, even IoT smart home dashboards. Developers love how easy it is to build slick, user-friendly controls that tap into powerful hardware features without fighting the framework. Now, a couple of quick tips if you're thinking about diving in as your app scales. State management is crucial. Packages like Provider, Block, or Riverpod are your friends. Keep your widget tree tidy, especially if you're pulling in heavy data or animations, and don't skip testing. Flutter's built-in tools make it painless. Compared to React Native or Xamarin, Flutter stands out for its speed, visual richness, and a super active community. So, what are you waiting for? Whether you're prototyping the next big thing or shipping real-time ML to people's pockets, Flutter is leading the charge. Download it, fire up your first Hello World, and see where Flutter takes you.